A big and a warm hello to all my lovely students who are watching this video. We are going to start a new chapter in geography today, that is chapter number 10, Life in the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. So this is just an introductory video of the chapter which will make you clear with the basic terms that are used in this chapter, which will make you clear what are we going to study in this chapter. So these are the contents of the chapter. See, basically this chapter deals with two basins. Here you will study about the climate conditions, about the flora and fauna, about the people, about their economic activities of the Amazon basin as well as the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So these two things are the important topic of this chapter. Tropical and subtropical regions I have written because before proceeding to the chapter, you should know what are tropical region or what are subtropical region. Then which basin comes under tropical region and which basin comes under subtropical region. If you will be clear with it, you will be able to understand it further. So let's proceed with the chapter. See, here I have made one diagram of the tropical and subtropical region. This is the structure of the globe. Equator, you all know, is the line passing horizontally in the middle of the globe. We have already studied in class 6 that this line, or we can say equator, divides the earth into two poles. What are those two poles? North pole and south pole, correct. So the area above the equator is called the northern hemisphere and the area below the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Then at 23.5 degree north we have Tropic of Cancer and at 23.5 degrees south we have Tropic of Capricorn. I think everyone is clear till here. We will now see which region is the tropical one and which are subtropical region. So the region which comes between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the tropical region. Look at the diagram, look at the structure of the globe very carefully and just try to understand what I am saying. So I said the region which comes between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the tropical region. I want you to remember 2 points for tropical region. First is ample sunshine due to sun rays falling straight on the equator. Second is tropical rainforest, which means heavy jungle because this place receives heavy rainfall. Always remember these 2 points when you hear the word equator or tropical. So this was all about the tropical zone. Now what about the subtropical region? So the region between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, it is the subtropical region. Clear? The area which is between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, it is the subtropical region. Now this was about the northern hemisphere. Similarly, the region between Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere is the subtropical zone. Clear? Now in this chapter I have already told you that we will be studying about two basins, the Amazon basin and the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So the Amazon basin, it comes under the tropical region, whereas the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, it comes under the subtropical region. Before starting about these two basins, let us have a quick recap on what is river basin. You all have studied about river basin in class 6th also. So I'll just explain you river basin in a very simple language. We can say a river basin is the area of land from which all water flows into a particular river. Okay, it is a portion of the land drained by a river and its tributaries. So this was a basic introduction of the chapter. We will be meeting again in which I will be giving you the entire description of the Amazon basin and other video will be covering about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So I had just made this introductory video to make you clear about the tropical region and the subtropical region, which you have already studied in class 6th also. So this was just a quick recap of that region. Now you will be able to understand about the region that comes under tropical, that is Amazon basin, and the region which comes under subtropical, that is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, so we'll be meeting again with the Amazon basin now. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.